Are you experiencing bandwidth delays or restrictions in your Google Meet video call? Want to lower the call quality so you can still see participants or just hear audio? Today we'll show you how to adjust your resolution settings in Meet in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to change your resolution settings in Google Meet. When you're in a Google Meet call, click on the three dots and then Settings, Video. From there, you can click on your send and receive video resolution and change from high definition to standard definition or even audio only. So there you have it. Adjust your video resolution settings in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.